Alright, in this video we're going to make this chart appear here, and we already got this data. Okay, so if you look at my previous video, we already got this data. So first we got this data like this: scrollable card view, health data model. We create a data model here that can store data by using identifiable like unique ID, date, and value. Really simple. And then we use that as a container to generate an empty array of like the structure that can store data using a health data model. And then we store the step data, weight data, active energy burn data, VO2 max data in here by using a for loop. So for each of that item in our that sort of count statistics, we got summary, we got double, and we make a decision of whether it's 0 or not. Okay, so empty, we're going to get this 0 as a placeholder, and X is like a time series data. Okay, and then append that to our data holder. And once you got that, I believe you can actually visualize it by changing a little bit of a content view here. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So the content view, we need to import chart because we're going to like use chart. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is to like replace a like blockage area, maybe here, the rounded rectangle. Okay, so if I comment it out, and I run this area is like a yellowish area. Okay, so if I comment out, there's nothing here. But if I replace this area with the charts, there should be a chart here. So what I'm gonna do is to say, hey, I want a chart here, right? And the data I'm going to use for each, and using the health kit, I believe that we import that somewhere at the beginning of our code. Health kit manager, HK manager. Okay, it's not Hong Kong manager, but rather health kit manager. Right, dot. So for example, I want step data. Okay, I can get step data, and then for each of the step data, going to loop this. Okay, so the steps or step in step data, step in doesn't really matter. Okay, and then so for example, you want to use say a bar chart. So you want to say bar, and you want the x-axis. Normally we would put the x-axis as the time. Okay, so we're going to get localization key. Okay, let me just get rid of all this value. Let me just use date. Okay, so different date, and we're going to get that step. Okay, dot date. The step is just a placeholder, don't really matter. Okay, so step dot date, and we have a unit of calendar hour. Yeah, unit of day. Right, that should do. So separate, go here, and y-axis will be that the value here. So dot value, and since it's steps, so value will be steps, and we're going to use the step dot value. Okay, steps. I think steps will be much more. Okay, steps value. Okay, command or get rid of it. Get everything. I reformat it. Why it's not reformat? Control I reformat this. And okay, this is just, okay. I got this command I. Okay, let's quickly run this to look at the chart. Yeah, that's pretty good. So we got jump, A daily jump, because data is like a x-axis day, and how many jumps that we did for a day. Okay, pretty good. Pretty good. And of course, you can change the color. Right now, it's like a greenish color. So I'm going to search. I must have like a specify the gray somewhere. Gray. Do I? Okay. Maybe I got this gray at task. It's not in task. Detail. Okay. Style. Maybe it's just like a secondary style. Maybe that's where I got it. This. So foreground style, secondary. What about primary? Okay, let's just make a primary and see whether it's like the style change. Yeah, primary and secondary. That's what the control was inside. Okay, so if you got this, the daily jumps also changed. Things I want to like make it like a uniform orange color. So I'm going to say orange and dot opacity and make a double 0.6, something like that. Hopefully it will give me a really nice color here. Okay, that's pretty good. Even got this little bit transparent color because I turned down opacity a little bit just to show the reference line at the back end. Okay, that's pretty good. And you click it, you get all this dummy data. We will like print this out. It's just a simple list. We're gonna print it out really simple. And then right now the here doesn't change that much, but here we got this pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. So that's basically how to get a chart, right? Really simple one. Okay. And yeah, of course we will do customization. For example, you want like you don't want this line, you don't want a bar chart, something like that. You can change that. Okay. But we will discuss more next video. Okay. Bye.